Comparing EveryDollar zero-based budgeting involves evaluating the effectiveness of this budgeting method in managing your finances. To start, understand that zero-based budgeting is a system where every dollar is assigned a job, meaning every single dollar of your income is allocated towards a specific expense or savings goal. First, track your income and expenses to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Write down every single transaction, including small purchases like coffee or snacks, to identify areas where you can cut back and allocate funds more efficiently. Next, set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building up your retirement savings. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and debt repayment, and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Now, assign every dollar of your income to a specific category, making sure to cover essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline, allocating 50% of your income towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards debt repayment and savings. Compare your current budget to the zero-based budgeting method by evaluating how much you are saving, how much debt you are paying off, and how much you are spending on discretionary items. Identify areas where you can make adjustments to optimize your budget and achieve your financial goals more efficiently. Best practices include regularly reviewing and updating your budget to reflect changes in your income or expenses, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing needs over wants. By following these steps and comparing EveryDollar zero-based budgeting to your current financial situation, you can create a more effective budget that helps you manage your finances and achieve long-term financial stability.